In this program, I'm going to use a Listbox. Inside the Listbox, I'm going to have a few options, teams from the Premier League, like Everton, Leeds, Man United, and Arsenal. Okay, so Listbox works basically the same way as a radio group. So it works with the item index, and it will have different items. So like I said, I'm going to add the items to my Listbox. Leeds, Everton, Man United, and I think I said I want to add optional. Okay, so that's the items inside my Listbox, same as the radio group. And then the user can make a selection inside the Listbox. If nothing is selected, the item index will be -1. If the first one is selected, the item index will be 0. Okay, so if the user selects Leeds, the item index will be 0. If he selects Everton, it will be 1. Man United will be 2. And Arsenal will be 3. So I'm going to add a button. And I'm just going to write a simple program. The user is going to make a selection. He's going to click on the button. And then we're going to show message the team that he selected. So let's make this one display. Right, so when you click on the button, I'm going to use an if statement. You can also use a case statement or something like that. I'm going to stick with the if statement for now. So I'm going to say if Listbox 1. So I'm going to test the item index. It's the integer value. That's why you can use a case statement for this one. Integer is an ordinal data type, so you will be able to use a case, but I'm going to stick with my if. So if it's 0, then I want to display the text from that list box. Let's say items, square brackets, and then we can say we want to display the content of the first item. First item will be 0. We need to be equals to 0. Okay, so if the Listbox item index is equals to 0, then we display the content of the first Listbox. Okay, so then we can just copy and paste for the next one. Just change the item index to value to 1 and 1. Third option is going to be Man United. So if the item index is 2, display item number 2. If it's 3, we want to display the third option, which is Arsenal. Save this program quickly. I'm going to save it as Listbox. What I need to do is display it somewhere. So I'm going to display it in a show message. You maybe have a label, then you can display it in a label. You can maybe have option of pictures and display different pictures. But like I said, I already chose it here. So I'm just going to change it. My option for display is going to be show message. Okay, so it's already a text, a string, so we don't need to do any conversion. Let's make it number 1. 3. So leads is selected, display leads. Everton, that means the item index is now 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's at the moment it's 1. United, item index is 0, 1, 2, so it's 2. With Arsenal it will be number 3. Okay, so let's just add another one here. For if nothing is selected. Okay, so if the item index is -1, you can display something like, please make a selection. Please make a selection. Okay, so that's if it's -1. So when I run my program, nothing is selected. I click on the display button. It will pop up the show message. Please make a selection.